It could be tough to find a plant that will thrive in partial shade without eating into the nutrients your trees need. In this video, we take a look at some of our favorite plants that thrive under trees of all kinds. Number 1. Brazilian Plume. The compact Brazilian plume is a tall evergreen shrub native to the tropics. Its foliage is pine-colored, and it bears a profusion of clustered tubular flowers in vibrant, cheery hues that like a fireworks show. Even in the dead of winter, the vibrant hues of these carnival-style flowers remain. Although it performs best in full shade and moist soil, Justicia carnea is surprisingly tolerant of a wide range of soil types. Number 2. Christmas Rose. The creamy white flowers will self-sow from their golden stamen halo, making it a great option for bringing delicate flashes of brightness to very shaded areas. Soil that is either too dry or too wet might halt the growth of Helleborus niger, more commonly known as hellebore. This plant prefers a medium moisture level. However, chalk, clay, or loam are all fine for their growth. Number 3. Crevice Alumroot. Forming elegant mounds of shiny, scallop-edged leaves in glorious colors of purple, maroon, and burgundy, Crevice Alumroot is a prominent member of the perennial Heuchera family. In late spring, you can see slender stalks poking out from the foliage. Before long, those stems will break open with a flurry of tiny white flowers. If you want dense rosettes, mass plant them in dry, shaded spots under thick tree canopies. Number 4. Curled Plantain Lily. The curled plantain lily is the most low-maintenance attractive plant there is. Clusters of attractive, emerald leaves with wavy, white margins characterize this hosta variety. When summer first arrives, the lavender blossoms lend a touch of extra visual appeal. While hosta crispula thrives in fertile, shady soil with other perennials, it does require vigilant monitoring for herbivores such as rabbits, snails, and deer. Number 5. Dimpled Trout Lily. Flat-finned fish beautiful, sun-kissed lily-shaped flowers spotted with dark purple are the fruit of the stems of this shade-loving perennial. The transient foliage compensates for its short lifespan every spring by self-sowing into dense colonies, which then silently go dormant by the end of May. Because they need shade all year in soil that is rich in humus to flourish, they are a famous choice among plants that grow under trees. Number 6. Dutchman's Breeches. Rows of white blooms, fashioned like little, inverted puffy-legged pants, nod from stems devoid of leaves on this whimsical, transient annual. Contrasting with the fringed foliage, the bottom sprouts curled yellow flowers that appear very delicate. A classic choice for shady woodland and cottage gardens, Dutchman's Breeches bring a burst of color and life to these spaces with its delicate, fleeting blooms. Number 7. Eastern Hay-Scented Fern. Unique and attractive, the deciduous Eastern Hay-Scented Fern grows under trees to form decorative mounds of slender, split fronds that can reach a length of 30 inches. One reason why dried fronds are so common in cut flower arrangements is the pleasant aroma they release. Denstudia punctilobula, like the majority of ferns, forms a robust ground cover in even the poorest soil conditions when it thrives in the shade of woodlands. Number 8. Lily of the Valley. Despite its short bloom time in mid-spring, the plant's graceful, light green fluted fronds and fragrant, arching flower stalks make it a worthwhile investment. Permitting Lily of the Valley to self-seed in shaded, damp soil results in a beautiful ground cover that is both easygoing and charming. There are some areas where it is considered an invasive plant, so you might want to think twice before planting it in your garden. Number 9. Japanese Spurge. A shrubby mass of spreading runners and thick foliage, monochromatic Japanese spurge is perfect for subtly filling sparse undergrowth. Although Pachysandra terminalis does display a short plume of white blooms throughout the spring, the real showstopper is the evergreen foliage. With minimal care, purging can thrive in soils that receive little light. In regions where heavy rains frequently wash away the topsoil, it grows well along slopes and helps to avoid erosion. Number 10. English Bluebells. With their gently curled, upright leaves and bowed inflorescence of bell-shaped, blue blooms that seem to droop their heads solemnly despite their vibrant colors, the English bluebell has a pastoral charm that is hard to resist. They are aesthetically pleasing and require little care, especially when planted in clusters under the shade of trees. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.